Hi, Amanda.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting in the car, driving, getting ready for a shoot.
Is it true that the only reason you're not wearing a seatbelt is because you're a puppet? And sometimes puppets can get by without wearing seatbelts, but they still have to be very careful.
We still have to be careful, but usually somebody's holding us, so, that person is wearing a seatbelt, right?
But if you were a baby,
But if I were a baby, I don't know.
I think you'd be in a baby seat in the back.
Yeah, but I'm not a baby.
No.
I'm actually 7.